What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So now, is your Windows PC feeling slow or laggy? The problem might not be your hardware. It could just be RAM cache taking up valuable memory. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to safely remove your RAM cache and free up memory to help your PC run more smoothly. So now let's get started. So now before we start, we have to go to your web browser and type RAM map. So this RAM map application is built by Microsoft, and it will help you clear the RAM from your computer. So if you scroll down, you see this blue link over there. Just click on it to download. So after you download it, choose where you want and start download. Now open folder. So now this is the RAM map. So now before I extract it, I want you to see the amount of cache I have on my computer. So you just have to right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager, or you right click on the Windows icon over here and select Task Manager. Now on Task Manager, you look for performance over here and come to memory. So as you can see, my RAM cache is 4 gig. So the higher your RAM cache, the more beneficial it will be when you clear the cache. So you might have 9 gig, 2 gig, whatever amount you have, but then we are going to clear this one. So I'm going to minimize it and go back to the software we downloaded, extract. So after extracting, open it and choose the first one, the exe file. Double click, click on yes. There's some license agreement here. You can choose to read it. After reading, you just click on agree. So it will bring you to this window. So this shows you the detailed RAM processes and usage of your computer. So let me just bring the task manager here so that you can see it in real time. Okay. So in the RAM map, you just click on empty, and what you are looking for is empty standby list. Empty standby list. So just click on that, and you can see that automatically it has moved from 4 gig to 100 MB, just like that. So I think this is a software that you must have on your computer. So every now and then, if your computer feels a bit sluggish, a bit laggy, you just have to come, clear your RAM cache, and restart your computer, and your computer should feel more smoothly. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Bye.